Hello friends, today in this video I will share some of the tips. With the help of those tips you can improve yourself in English learning. And first tip is that read everything. Whatever pamphlet or covers of medicines or anything comes in front of you, you should try to read whatever written there. In this way I think that you can improve yourself, and where there you find difficulty while understanding the meanings of those words, there are some difficult words, then you can consult a dictionary, or you can search the meanings of that difficult word from Google. In this way you will improve yourself in English language. And second thing is that whatever vocabulary you have, that is good, but try to increase your vocabulary. Try to add new words in your vocabulary. In this way your vocabulary will become more powerful than before, and you will deliver new words in front of the masses, and this is the good. You should try to improve your vocabulary and try to speak English language with real human beings. Right now, with the help of emojis, or there are some pictures you are sharing on WhatsApp, and you are sharing your expression with the help of those pictures and emojis. Instead of sharing those emojis and pictures, you should speak. Share your views through your speaking. When you will speak, you will improve yourself in English language. So this is the good thing, that you are sharing your voice messages with others in English language, and others are also sharing their voice messages. And fourth thing is that subscribe podcast and YouTube channels, those are in English language on social media. When you will subscribe to those channels, they are uploading a lot of videos, they are sharing their experiences, and you can listen those podcasts, or you can watch those videos in English language. In this way you will improve yourself in English language. Other thing is, if you are a rich person and you can get opportunity to travel to such a country where the first language is English language, try to travel in those countries such as Australia, UK, America, and other South Africa. When you will travel to these countries where there the English is spoken, when you will live there in such an environment where you will find the English speaking person around you, then you will improve yourself very soon. So if you have opportunity, then you should try to travel abroad. And whatever friends you have, I think that you should try to make friends throughout the world, those who know the English language. When you will communicate with them in English language, you will improve yourself in English language. So make friends on international levels, those are good in English language. When they will chat with you, when they will send you voice messages, in this way you will improve yourself in English language. There is a problem with some English learners, that they have lot of questions in their minds, but they don't ask those questions, they don't get the replies. If you have any teacher, ask lot of questions from your teacher. If you are learning English language alone, then you can get replies from social media, from Google, from YouTube. So ask a lot of questions to get the replies. In this way you will improve yourself in English language. Other thing is that I want to share, that you should watch English language movies, English language skits, dramas, and stories, especially the children's stories. Those are in English language. When you will listen those stories, the characters are speaking their dialogues. In this way you will improve yourself in English language. Those dialogues will be the part of your memory, and finally you will deliver those dialogues in your speech. And this is good, that you should watch movies and podcast. And final thing is that don't lose heart while learning English language. When you start learning English language, there are a lot of difficulties, difficult words, and difficult grammars. When you after some time think that it is too much difficult for me to improve, so you try to quit. Don't quit and don't lose heart. When you will learn each and everything with interest, then you will improve yourself, and one day you will speak spontaneous and very good English language. Hope you find these tips useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, if you are new on this channel, you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.